When it comes to choosing the right e-commerce software, you need to make sure it fits your needs perfectly. SellersFi is one of the newer players on the market, but before you dive in, there are 7 key things you need to know about it. Stick around to the end, because what I'm about to share could help you decide if SellersFi is really the solution for you. You can try it completely free, with a link to the best trial in the description below. First thing you should know about SellersFi is that it's designed for entrepreneurs looking for a one-stop shop for managing their e-commerce business. Unlike other software like Shopify or BigCommerce, SellersFi focuses specifically on streamlining the operational side of selling, from inventory management to order processing, while integrating seamlessly with Amazon, eBay, and Shopify. This means if you're selling on multiple platforms, SellersFi pulls all of them into one dashboard. Next thing you should consider is the pricing model. SellersFi has a competitive pricing structure that appeals to smaller businesses and scaling entrepreneurs. When compared to something like Shopify, which charges hefty transaction fees, SellersFi allows more flexibility and lower ongoing costs for its users. So, if you're just starting out or looking to reduce your overhead costs, this could be a solid choice for you. The third thing to know is that SellersFi offers automation tools that set it apart from other platforms. If you've used other e-commerce tools before, you might be familiar with basic automation for tasks like sending out emails or updating stock. But SellersFi goes beyond that. It helps with advanced features like dynamic pricing and real-time inventory updates, which can save you a lot of time and prevent costly errors that could affect your profits. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the integration capabilities. SellersFi integrates smoothly with various third-party apps like Google Analytics, QuickBooks, and more. This makes tracking your business performance super easy, as you won't need to jump between multiple platforms to manage your finances or marketing efforts. Competitors often fall short in this department, offering limited integrations that require you to jump through hoops or pay for additional plugins. Next thing to mention is its customer support. SellersFi offers 24/7 customer service, which is essential if you're operating your business across time zones. From live chat to email support, they're quick to respond and resolve issues. Many other e-commerce platforms have limited support hours or charge extra for premium support, so this could be a huge advantage if you rely on constant assistance. The sixth thing worth noting is its scalability. Whether you're running a small business or scaling to an enterprise level, SellersFi can grow with you. It's designed to handle a high volume of transactions and inventory without sacrificing performance. This makes it a strong competitor against other platforms that often struggle with speed and reliability as businesses expand. Lastly, SellersFi stands out with its in-depth analytics and reporting. The platform gives you insights that not only help you track your sales, but also offer actionable data to optimize your marketing and operations. While tools like Shopify offer basic reports, SellersFi takes it a step further with more granular, customizable reports tailored to your business needs. So, if you're still on the fence, just remember that SellersFi offers a comprehensive, user-friendly platform with lower fees, powerful integrations, and better scalability compared to many of its competitors. If you want to give it a try for yourself, don't forget to click the first link in the description below for the best free trial and exclusive benefits. You won't regret seeing what SellersFi can do for your business.